Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the NodeMCU board which is ESP8266 based. So before starting with the NodeMCU, first let's understand what is ESP8266. So ESP8266 is a low-cost Wi-Fi microchip with a full TSP-IP stack and microcontroller capabilities, and this compact module enables microcontroller to connect to Wi-Fi network and establish a simple TCP/IP connections. The capabilities of ESP8266 are: it has a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, it has 16 GPIO pins for general purpose input-output connections, then it supports serial communication for connecting peripherals with the help of I2C communication. It has 10-bit ADC for analog to digital conversion. Then it supports SPI protocol for high-speed data transfer. Then it has a dedicated UART for serial communication. Then it also supports a PWM for controlling motors, LEDs and other devices. So this versatility of your ESP8266 makes it popular choice for IoT and embedded system projects. Now let's see what is NodeMCU. So NodeMCU is an open source IoT platform. It includes a firmware that runs on ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. So basically, the development kit based on ESP8266, it integrates GPIO pins, PWM pins, ADC functionalities into a single board. It enables a rapid development by combining hardware capabilities with NodeMCU firmware for a seamless IoT development experience. This is the pinout of NodeMCU ESP8266. So as you can see, there are general purpose input output pins which are referred as GPIO. So there are 13 GPIO pins, and here we have also mentioned their alternate Arduino pins. So pin 0 of NodeMCU is nothing but GPIO 16, pin 1 is nothing but GPIO 5, and so on. Now let's see the practical applications of NodeMCU. So it can be used for a smart home automation like controlling the lights, fans and appliances using smartphone or voice assistant. It can create a smart door lock and automated blinds. It can monitor the home security with Wi-Fi connected cameras and sensors. It can be used for IoT projects like collecting the sensor data and send it to the cloud platform for analysis, building the weather stations or air quality monitoring system. It can enable remote control of devices over the internet. It can also be used for a smart agriculture like automated irrigation system based on small moisture sensor, then monitoring the environmental conditions in greenhouse. It is used in industrial applications like predictive maintenance by monitoring equipment parameters like variation, like vibration and temperature, or automate the machine with real-time feedback and control. It can also be used in wearable and health devices in smart cities like building a smart street lighting system which will adjust the brightness based on the ambient light, or it can also monitor the traffic and parking spaces using IoT enabled devices. It can be used in energy management to develop a smart energy meters to monitor and manage the electricity use, or it can also use for automating the solar panel alignment system for optimal energy generation. It can also be used for educational projects and the custom DIY projects also. So this is all about the NodeMCU which is ESP8266 based. Thank you.